Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Ni hao ma, howdy. Live trance and prosper. I'm Professor Brian David Phillips, and today we explore a fascinating intersection of intuition and decision making through the lens of trance work combined with tarot. I love both of those things. This intriguing approach can offer deep insights and guidance, helping people make informed decisions in both their personal and professional lives. Let's delve into how entering a trance state and engaging with tarot cards can open new pathways to understanding and resolving complex dilemmas. First, let's understand the premise. Trance work, when combined with tarot, is not about predicting the future. Instead, it's about accessing a deeper access. Oh, my English are good today. Accessing a deeper level of the subconscious mind to uncover insights and emotions that might not be readily available in a typical waking state. This process can clarify one's feelings and thoughts regarding future decisions. Step 1. Establishing the context for decision making. Before beginning any session of trance work with tarot, it's crucial to clearly define the decision or dilemma at hand. Now, it's possible to not have anything specific in mind, but you then clearly define that's what the session is about. But when we define what we want to deal with, what we want to work with, this focus will direct the subconscious exploration and ensure that the insights gained are relevant and actionable. Step 2, entering trance. Through guided meditation, deep breathing, or other relaxation techniques, as well as experiential trance work, which I teach, and you can go to my website and find lots of things on that, as well as other videos on this video channel. But by going into using these techniques, an individual can enter a trance state. This is a state of heightened awareness and focus, and it makes the mind more receptive to intuitive insights, setting the stage for a meaningful tarot session. Step 3, engaging with tarot. In this receptive state, draw tarot cards with the intention of shedding light on the decision-making process. Each card's imagery and symbolism can then trigger subconscious associations, bringing the surface all sorts of material. It brings to the surface hidden fears, desires, insights that influence decision-making. Here's a real-world example. Professional dilemma. Consider John, a middle manager at a technology firm, who is facing a career crossroad, whether to accept a high-risk, high-reward job offer from a startup or stay with his current stable position. John used trance work with tarot to explore his deeper feelings about change and risk. The cards drawn, such as the Fool and the Tower, symbolize new beginnings and disruptive change, respectively. Reflecting on these themes in a trance state helped John realize his appetite for risk and desire for transformation, leading him to confidently accept the new job offer. Now, caveat. Everyone's experience is different. I teach trance work. I teach tarot. I've designed several, 24 at this point, tarot cards, tarot decks rather. Step 4, reflecting and integrating insights. Post-session reflection is crucial. It's a time to interpret the feelings. If you have a guide, that's a really nice And certainly that's something I have done before, or you can do this yourself. But this time, it's a time to interpret the feelings and thoughts that arose during the session, considering how they align with your own values and goals. This reflective practice turns abstract feelings and intuitions into concrete guidance for decision making. Step 5, applying the insights to real life decisions. The final step is to take the insights from the tarot and trance work session and apply them to the decision at hand. This might involve recognizing personal biases, uncovering hidden fears, or confirming genuine desires that should guide the decision-making process. Now, there are benefits in personal and professional context. Trance work with tarot can be particularly beneficial when faced with decisions that involve high emotional stakes or when you feel stuck between logical analysis and gut feeling. It provides a space to explore these tensions and find a resolution that resonates on a deeper personal level. Trance work, combined with tarot, offers a unique introspective approach to decision making. By accessing deeper subconscious insights, individuals can navigate complex decisions with greater clarity and confidence. Whether you're pondering career moves, personal relationships, or strategic business decisions, or any other thing you might be thinking about, this method provides a valuable tool for exploring potential paths and choosing the one that best aligns with your deeper self. Thank you for joining me today, and may your decisions be as informed as they are inspired. Be sure to check the links in the description below, as well as the videos in my YouTube channel. If you're interested in learning much more, check out my very comprehensive courses available on my web pages. I designed and published quite a few original tarot decks. Be sure to check them out. For now, though, this is Professor Brian David Phillips saying, live trance and prosper. Bye-bye.
Breathe deep, surrender. Look at the cards and feel alive. The cards reveal their secrets deep within your mind. Tarot opens doors. Tarot takes your hand and guides you to the places deep inside. Tarot, tarot.